Welcome back to the chemistry behind cosmetology. I am Master Cosmetology Educator Bryce Heron. In this lesson, we will demonstrate the NIC standards for content domain chemical waving, starting with 9 panels. This is part 1 for a basic perm wrap. 9 panels mapping is a roadmap that divides the hair into panels by using the length and the diameter of the rod to complete a basic perm wrap. Our first learning outcome is to complete a 9-panel service within 10 minutes. Our second learning outcome is to demonstrate principles of prevention according to the infection control principles and practices through hand hygiene safety. And lastly, we will create 9 panels using the length of the rod and using the diameter of the rod. As Vincent Ropat says, when you sit in my chair, you are a movie star. Let's start perming. To get started, begin with learning outcome time management. Set a timer for 10 minutes. Then, let's demonstrate principles of prevention through hand hygiene safety. Be sure that both hands are covered and sanitized with an EPA-registered product like so. Once finished, position the guest's head back. Use the desired rod size and then align the rod using the length of the rod at the bridge of the nose and center the rod at the front area, like so. And create your first parting by combing straight back towards your chest. And then repeat this on the opposite side. After completing this step, position the head upright. Position the rod or place the rod within that parting at the front hairline. Then at the end of that rod, create a horizontal parting. This creates your first panel. But let's make sure that the hair is smooth and pliable. And then we're going to twist all of the hair into a knot with no hair hanging. You would do this with every panel like so. After twisting the hair to a knot, you're going to secure it with a butterfly clamp like so. To create our second panel, we're going to align the rod with the first panel. Then position our index finger at the nape hairline and comb straight to it. To ensure balance, let's divide this hair into sections. But we're going to smooth the hair wave that's not going to be secured at this time so that we can repeat the same steps on the opposite side. By repositioning our rod with the first panel and then placing our index finger at the nape hairline and combing straight to it. Remember to divide the hair into sections and smooth the hair wave that's not going to be secured at this time to ensure balance. Then place the width of the comb at the center nape hairline and allow the comb to rest against the head form. Where the comb leaves the head, create a horizontal parting. Then smooth the second panel and create a knot by twisting all of the hair that leaves no hair hanging, and then secure this panel with a butterfly clamp like so. Now to create the third panel, position the head form forward. Using partings from the second panel to ensure balance of your third panel, and then twist all of the hair into a knot and secure it with a butterfly clamp like so. Now we're ready to move forward to create panels 4, 5, and 8. Slightly position the hair to the left and then comb the hair backwards in its natural fall. Then place the rod horizontal diagonal forward and then place your index finger at the masseter bone located behind the ear and then draw straight to your finger. Divide the hair into sections and then intertwine all the hair into a knot, leaving no hair hanging, and secure this panel with a butterfly clamp like so. Now let's create panels 4 and 5 by tilting the head form forward. Use the horizontal parting from panel 2 to create panel 4. Ensure balance and make sure that the hair is smooth so that when you intertwine all the hair into a knot, you will not leave any hair hanging. And then of course you're going to secure the panel with a butterfly clamp like so. Proceed to panel 5. Repeat the steps by making sure that the hair is smooth, intertwining all the hair into a knot, and securely fasten it with a butterfly clamp. Repeat the same steps to create panels 6, 7, and 9. Place the rod horizontal diagonal forward, and then place your index finger behind the ear at the mastoid bone. Comb straight to your finger, and now create panels 6 using the horizontal parting from panel 2. Ensuring that all the hair is smooth and intertwined into a knot, and secure this panel again with a butterfly clamp. Complete panels 7 and 9 by intertwining all of the hair together, leaving no hair hanging, and secure each panel with a butterfly clamp. Remember, keep the hair pliable. Now you're ready to wrap the hair for a basic perm. See you in part 2, wrapping for a basic perm.